In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the menu text size in WordPress. So whether you're trying to make your website's navigation stand out or just want to fine-tune the details for the best readability, you're in the right place. To get started, you'll want to log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control hub, where you can make all sorts of changes to your site. Once you're logged in, head over to the Appearance section, which you'll find on the left-hand menu. Hover over it and click on Customize. This will open up the WordPress Customizer, where you can make changes to your site's appearance and get a real-time preview of how these changes will look. Inside the Customizer, you'll want to look for the option labeled Additional CSS. This is where you'll be directly adding your own custom code. Don't worry if you're not a coding expert, I'll walk you through everything. Click on Additional CSS, and a text box will appear where you can input your custom styles. Now we're going to add some custom CSS code to adjust the menu text size. In the text area, type or paste the following CSS snippet: Site Navigation A0 font size, 16px. This bit of code targets the links within your site's navigation menu, adjusting their font size to 16 pixels. Feel free to change the 16px to whatever size you need. You might want a smaller size for a cleaner look, or a bigger one to make your menu items really pop. It's all about matching your site style and the preferences of your audience. After typing the code, you'll notice the preview of your website on the right updates instantly. This immediate feedback lets you see whether the new text size is too big, too small, or just right for your design vision. Take your time here and experiment with different sizes until you find the one that fits perfectly. Once you're satisfied with the text size, it's important to hit that Publish button at the top of the Customizer window. This action saves your changes and applies them to your live site, ensuring that every visitor will see your updated menu. If at any point you want to revert back or make further adjustments, just return to this section and tweak as needed. So there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to change the menu text size in WordPress. Customizing your menu can significantly impact your site's look and enhance user experience, making it a win-win. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.